Hi, I'm Christopher from Wella, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Wella Professional's Autumn-Winter 2020 colour movement, Luxelights. Before we piece together any colour movement, we work closely with our consumer insights team. We ask them to conduct research into the desires of our everyday core colour clients. What drives them to colour their hair? What services they most frequently ask for, and how open they are to making changes to the services which they regularly receive in the salon. It probably comes as no surprise that this study confirmed that grey coverage is the #1 reason why women start colouring their hair. The largest section of grey coverage clients are between the age of 35 and 55 years old. These are often referred to in the media as upper millennials and Generation X. We confirmed that the most desired colour result for these regular salon visitors is a colour which actually mimics their natural hair colour. Also, it's clear that while they're happy to visit the salon regularly, a high proportion of these grey coverage clients only book in for a root touch-up service and nothing more. So why is this? Firstly, it's important to note that they're actually really open to updating their hair colour, and they have a high disposable income which they're happy to spend on beauty in general. However, when we look at the results from the research that we've conducted, we can see the main things which stop them changing their hair colour or asking for something new is that Generation X and Millennial clients have fears that their hair will become damaged. They have concerns about harsh chemicals, and they worry that their new look will require loads of maintenance. What's also interesting is that only 13% of women in this age group find money a barrier. So we know that they're happy to spend more in the salon if the experience is great, if they feel confident in their hairdresser's ability, and they can be sure that they will love their new look. So why am I telling you all this? We at Wella like to support you with the services and techniques which you can introduce to your clients to help you grow your business. Having worked in a busy salon myself for many years, I understand that it isn't always easy to find the time to introduce clients to a new technique or colour direction because it might make me run behind. What if my client hates the end result? Or what if the new shades do not come out in the way that I hope they do? However, us hairdressers also know that if we're offering the same thing day in, day out, we will get bored, and so will our clients. So it's our responsibility to offer alternatives to a regular root touch-up service and bring something new and exciting to our service menu. Keeping all of this in mind, let me introduce you to Luxelights. The Luxelights in-salon service enables you to reveal luxurious dimensions in your client's hair without compromising on condition, as we recommend using Blonde or Plex and Coliston Perfect with Pure Balance technology. What's also great is that this is not a lengthy, time-consuming technique. To create these looks, all you need to do is follow 3 simple steps. First, you'll place 4 foils in each quadrant of the head and apply Blonde or Plex to the lengths and ends. These are large weave sections which are personalized to the client's face shape and desired result. For more impact, increase the size and amount of your weaves. For a more subtle approach, take finer sections and don't lift the hair more than 2 levels. While the foils are processing, apply Coliston Perfect to the root area to create a deeper shadowed effect, and then you'll develop for 30 to 40 minutes. After removal, you'll apply a Coliston Perfect Pure Glossing to give the lightened areas tone and shine. The Luxelight service gives the illusion of natural, sun-kissed, youthful hair. Let's recap.
I'm shining brighter, I'm stronger, happy to be me. I'm shining brighter, shouting louder, happy to be me. Happy to be me. I'm shining brighter.